the 2017 Kia Sorento. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.